Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.